I bet you don't have 17 food-themed fidgets. I don't know. This might be a hard one. Let's go look. So first I have this one, and this one, which is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are all my food poppets. And now let's look in the stress balls. So first I see this banana, this, and this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 more. Okay, 12. Let's see. No more food themed stress balls. Okay, so this is 13. Okay, so I just found 14 and 15. I just found so many food-themed paper squishies. I only need 2, so 1 and 2. Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I do have 17 food themed fidgets, so you do not win.